Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this easy chicken parm recipe. So if you'd like to see how it's done, just keep watching. For this recipe, you'll need 3 eggs, 3 or 4 chicken breasts, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, tomato sauce, salt and pepper, butter, olive oil, mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of flour, and fresh basil. Start by cracking the eggs into a bowl and whisking them. In another bowl, add breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Stir to combine, making sure to break apart any chunks. In one last bowl, add your flour with a little more salt and pepper. Stir to combine. Next, you'll need 2 sheets of parchment paper. For this step, you'll be sandwiching the chicken between the 2 sheets. I'll be using a rolling pin to flatten my chicken, but if you have a mallet, that would probably work better. The goal is to flatten each breast to about 1/2 inch. It should look like this. Now that our meat is flattened, we're going to be getting our pan ready. Add olive oil and a couple of tablespoons of butter. Set the heat to medium and wait until the butter has completely melted. This is my dredging station I've set up to prepare the chicken. Start by coating the chicken in flour. Then in the beaten eggs, and lastly in the panko breadcrumbs. Place the chicken in the hot oil and butter mixture to fry. You'll want to fry each side for about 2 minutes or until each side reaches a golden brown color. While one is frying, you can prep the next piece. Line a metal baking pan with parchment paper and coat it with a non-stick spray. You'll be baking the chicken the rest of the way through on this. At this point, you can preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Once all of your chicken has been fried, coat each piece with a layer of tomato sauce, followed by basil leaves, and topped with a mozzarella cheese. I'm leaving one piece without basil for Emily. Place in the oven and set your timer to about 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when the cheese is brown and bubbly. So here's the finished product, easy chicken parm for beginners. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Stay tuned for my next episode where I'll be microwaving a lean cuisine. Bye! Is it good? Mm-hmm. How is it, Hazel? Is it good? Is it yummy? Can you give it a thumbs up? Chicken.